Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to downgrade your device OnePlus 12 from OxygenOS 15 to OxygenOS 14. Why I'm doing this? Because I want call recorder for my phone, and on OxygenOS 15 I cannot do that because there is no files for this. ADB script doesn't work for this, so I must roll back to Android 14 or OxygenOS 14 to install call recorder, and after that again upgrade to OxygenOS 15, and in this case call recorder will stay intact, and I will do that. So how to select rollback package for your phone? I will post link for this instruction below in this description of this video. So you need to dial asterisk hashtag 6776 hashtag and see your version of phone. So asterisk hashtag 6776 hashtag and scroll down, and you will see my region version. And if you see this EP, it means that's global version. If you see EU, it means that you're running the European build version. If you have US, it means that running NA build. So with this you can see which version your phone, and after that you can download rollback package. As you can see, for OnePlus 12 I downloaded this global version. When you download it, you need to put this file from download, move, just a second please, move here. So as you can see, it's not in any of those folders, device storage and this file. Also, you must prepare backup all of your files, pictures, everything, because when you do rollback, your phone will factory reset and you must restore your files. So for this you need to enter settings, then type backup, then local backup, and then new backup if you haven't this. And this backup will storage on the Android data in folder Android data, and this com.oneplus.backup restore. Then plug your phone to your PC and transfer those folders to your PC. After that, when you perform rollback, you must return your all files in same folder, and from this you can restore everything. You need to enter in settings, then about system software update, then 3 dots, then local install, scroll down this and install. Okay, notification your device data will be erased during installation. Please back up it first. I already did that, so my data is backed up, and I'm going to roll back. And after this I'm going to restart now. Okay, formatting data. And now I'm waiting Android 14 or Oxygen 14. How to install call recorder I will not show in this video because I already did that, and I will post link in description of this video for model Oppo. But as you can see, it's identical method. Okay, rollback is finished, and now I will check just about device. As you can see, Oxygen 14, and I'm going to enable call recorder. So I'm going to check call recorder. And work perfectly. Now I have auto update. Last auto update for OxygenOS 14, and after that it should be Oxygen 15, and after I upgrade to Oxygen 15 I will restore my files from PC to phone. And okay, now I'm going to check about device Oxygen. Let's see. As you can see, I got Oxygen OS 15. Next update, download and install. Okay, and now I'm going to restore my backup from PC to phone. This location, Android data, OnePlus backup and restore, and then paste. And as you can see, I'm copying all my applications and settings from PC to OnePlus 12, and I'm going to restore that. And now I have Oxygen OS 15. I have additional update, but in meantime I will restore my all applications and settings from local update, local backup, then tap and start. Now I restore my settings. As you can see, icons, group of icons. So for now it works. Just to check system software update. As you can see, I have Oxygen OS 15 and now I will check call recorder for OxygenOS 15. And it worked perfectly. So as you can see, I have OxygenOS 15 and I have new update. I'm going to restart, and that's it, guys. If I helped you, please like or subscribe to my channel, and see you again. Bye bye.